Hey, this is Matthew's video.
Yeah, it's my channel.
Make sure you block. And we're going to do a spinning. We're going to do a
fidget spinner video. We're going to be showcasing 3 fidget spinners, and then we're going to be racing with them, right? Okay, go ahead for the first one. You get to pick. So this is the first one. It's the pink one. This one spins really fast.
For 4
spin
minutes.
It. It might spin for 4 minutes.
Or 5 minutes.
We'll see in the race. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the next one, right, Taryn? Okay, so the next one is really cool. Let's see this one. So when you click these, they spin like this. And then when you click them again, they have different modes. So like this.
It's amazing.
Yeah. And then you can click it again. This is the last mode. Spin it really fast. Look at that. It's not that bright actually. So then, if you want to just get rid of them, then you click them over time. And look, that looks pretty cool.
It looks like it's all green.
Okay.
I have an orange one.
And I'm showing you the last one. It is a pretty cool one. So Taryn, show them. Oh, it's a nice blue one. Spin it again. Ooh, that one's nice. Okay, so now
very smooth.
We're going to be going to the race. Let's grab all the fidget spinners.
I want to have the pink one.
Yeah, you can. We'll spin all of them. I'll spin all of them because I have a good spin. Come here, Taryn. Okay, so now we're going to be doing this.
Oh, my sister has a very tiny one. And my sister has the exact same one as me.
Sorry that we're not timing this. My iPod died, so we're not timing it. Then you can also change the mode.
What? Hey, I didn't start it. I want that one. I'm having that one. I'm having
Okay, so you can fast forward the video a bit if you want to see who wins. Because I don't have a pause in this.
that one's losing.
Ooh. Looks like the LED one lost, so Taryn, you can spin it in your hand now. Okay, well, these 2 fidget spinners are still battling it out. Let's move the pink one over here. Okay. Now both of them
have the pink
are
one.
still doing it. Oh.
This one's kind of losing.
The blue one and the pink one look strong.
That one's losing. Losing. I can see it.
Okay, well, definitely the pink one is going really strong right now. Look at that. And it didn't even spin it that much. It just spun them light. And I spun the blue one last. But the pink one still won. Holy, okay. Well, yep. That's
Not
the video.
that much.
That's the video. So, the pink one
I
came in
won.
first. The pink one won.
I won.
The blue one came in second.
And this one came in third.
Yep. Okay. See you guys. Say bye, Darren.
Bye.